PC817 Optocoupler. Push button. Button one side connecting with optocoupler anode pin and other side connecting with optocoupler cathode pin. Second push button connecting with optocoupler collector pin and emitter pin. $100 ohm resistance. Resistance one side connecting with optocoupler emitter pin. Resistance other side connecting with optocoupler anode pin. .35 mm LED. One LED negative side connecting with second LED positive side. Second LED negative side connecting with third LED positive side. LED positive side connecting with push button one button. 12-volt supply. Our project is ready.